Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the white duct tape 2" by 60 yards, 48 millimeters by 55 meters general purpose high track tape. And what I want to be able to do is, I have some dehydrated peaches back here and you can kind of see them, but it's just nice to be able to have it labeled. So I have the white duct tape here. So I just wanted to show you one of the many uses that you can be able to do with this duct tape. You can be able to label your dehydrated peaches, you know, for one of the examples. So I go ahead and take it off. I have a black permanent marker here, and I'm just going to go ahead and label it peaches. And I'm not going to put dehydrated because I'm sure you get it, you know. So there we go, and I'm going to go ahead and rip it off. And then now I know for sure that these are dehydrated peaches. Thank you, white duct tape. Thank you so much for watching.